Hello everyone. Welcome back to Quarterbash. I'm Dave. This is a Mail Call Monday. It's been so long since I've been able to do one of these, but you know what? I got some mail. This came in the mail. Now, I'm not going to turn it over, but I can see from the address on the other side who this is from. This is from Anthony over at Froggy Flips. Froggy Flips is a fantastic reselling channel that I love to watch. Anthony, the guy that runs it, is a cool guy. He's the person who I sent that cursed mask to in one of my early videos. If you've been watching, you probably saw that happen. If not, go check it out. It's a lot of fun. And apparently he decided to send me something. So let's take a look. I have not seen what's inside here yet. I do have it open, but I don't know what's in here yet. What do we have? Okay. That is something heavy, but I don't think it doesn't seem like coins. It's not quite that kind of heavy or that kind of noise. Ooh. Okay. Got some Froggy Flips stickers. Fantastic. What's it say here? Yo, bro! I was cleaning out my office and came across these minis. Never got around to looking into them. I'm sure they're nothing, but I thought you might enjoy dealing with them. Cheers, Anthony, Froggy Flips. Oh, they're miniatures. Well, that's awesome. Let's take a look at what these are. I wonder if I'm going to know what these are or if I have seen these show up in one of his videos. I don't know that I remember seeing him get miniatures. So, I don't know. Let's dig in and find out. They're not moving around much in there, so he packaged them nicely. He knows what he's doing. Get my old friend out here. Oh, they're metal. I can already feel it. Oh. Oh, I do know what these are. Okay. I know exactly what these are. And now that I see them, I kind of feel like maybe I did see the video where he got these. Maybe I even commented about them. All right. So what these miniatures are, get out of the light here so you can see them a little bit better. Spread them out. These are samurai miniature, basically. They are by AEG for a game called Clan Wars. There's a bunch of standard types. I've sold a bunch of these in the past. They're very nice little metal miniatures. And I think that's what they all are. I've never quite seen this design before. If you can see that, it looks like an alien. Or maybe it's just... Yeah, I mean, that's like it got claws instead of hands, I think. I haven't seen this one, but it does say it's AEG. So, I'm not 100% sure that every miniature down here is for Clan Wars, but definitely these samurai style ones are. They're very, very cool. Oh, but some of these are weird. Look at that. That's awesome. Okay, so these ones that look, I don't know what they are, three clawed guys, like some kind of wraiths or something. I mean, they may be from the Clan Wars line, but I've never seen them, so I get to learn about these, which is awesome. There's a bunch of those, and a whole bunch of archers, and then a whole bunch of samurais, fellas with their swords. There's a couple different places online I can go to look these up. These are always interesting because the main site that I go to, which is Lost Minis, where I go to check a lot of my miniatures, doesn't always have the best listings for these. There's not a lot of photos of them up. There are some places online where you can go to stores that were selling them at one point, they're usually not still available for sale, but they usually still have the images and listings up, so you can figure out which sets these came from. But yeah, they're pretty cool. All right, well, I don't know. I don't think I deserve something quite this nice in the mail just for no good reason, but that is a pretty fantastic Monday mail call, and I appreciate it greatly. Froggy, you rule. Everyone, go subscribe to Froggy Flips and check out what he's doing. He's had such great stuff go on. I've been watching his stuff for over a year now, and just watching the growth of his channel for the last year has been so inspiring, and seeing how many people are watching what he's doing. Every time he puts up a video, people will just pretty much rush to it to check it out, which is great. Doing tons and tons of garage sale stuff, and it's just great to see him show up and talk to the people, go through. I mean, you've all been to garage sales, you know how it works, and he's just a master at it. And he's always finding the coolest stuff. And he found these. And then they came to me, which is pretty cool. All right. Thank you, everybody. I appreciate it. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.